Hey guys, this video is all about Jonathan and I's move to San Clemente. So it's gonna start with us seeing the place and then packing and moving and putting it all together. And then it'll end with a tour of it all put together, which is right now. So let's get into it. So we came into San Clemente several times to look at different places, and each time just confirmed how much we wanted to be there. And we were really pleased when we were able to find the place that we did. And it was kind of a cool story how everything just kind of came together. So we feel super blessed to be here, and here it is. Kitchen. That's fun. There's like a little door, French door right there.
Yeah.
Stopped for a bathroom in Home Depot and like Elsinore. Pretty funny place to stop, but it works out. It's a clean bathroom, so that's good.
Jonathan, where are we at?
San Clemente,
What is it?
our house.
Yay!
Hey guys, welcome to our new home. I just want to give you a brief walkthrough before you see it transform into our comfortable living space. So here we go. Over here we have the kitchen space. I just put those blinds up. I'm going to replace this light fixture. Put some blinds on this window. We've got our first little half bath. It's actually got some really good counter space. I'm really excited for that. Put some nice stuff on the walls. I hate that brown. I put some little baskets in here, and then we go into this room, and this is gonna be our spare room. We're gonna put a queen bed in here, some desk space for us to work, for my business and all that jazz, and then a nice closet for extra storage for like instruments and stuff like that. And then you go in there. So that's what we've got going on in our new space, and we're really excited to show you guys how it looks once we're done with it, and we're excited to spend a year here and just enjoy being together and relaxing and rejuvenating. So just had some new packages to add to these ones, so that's perfect timing because I had to sign for one of them. Yay! So Jonathan and I went ahead and got the Casper king size mattress for our bedroom and the Tuft & Needle queen size for the spare. We've slept on both, and Jonathan got the Casper for more firmness, for it seems to be better for men, and he seems to enjoy it. And I kind of preferred the Tuft & Needle, but you know, I'm not going to complain because they're both comfortable. So this lamp was from Target, as well as that mirror in the back, and our beautiful little gold and faux marble top table is from Wayfair, along with the TV stand behind the mirror, which you will see later in the reveal part of this video. Good morning, folks. Jonathan and I have returned to San Clemente, and we have a few more big item pieces showing up today. Our bed frame for our bedroom has come, so I'm going to attempt to assemble it by myself. We'll see how far I get. And the couch is supposed to arrive at some point today, but I'm not sure when that is. So I risked going out and getting breakfast because we have no food here, and I'm hoping they didn't try to come during that time to deliver the couch. So we'll see. I'll be here the rest of the day. And yeah, so let's get making this bed. Alright, so I only made it this far. Got some legs on there, so just a few bolts, but I don't have a screwdriver, so I have to go to the store and get that. I have a few other things on my list to grab, and then if we go out into the living room, we had some couch pillows arrive, and there's our couch in the box. So I'm going to have to assemble that as well. So I'm gonna go get a screwdriver before I do any of it. I got a screwdriver. Let the building commence. So I have this much of the bed done. Jonathan had mentioned maybe doing it under that window, which I was not in favor of to begin with, but I just decided to try. And this is how much room I have over here, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna move it over under this wall. We'll see how that looks. The bed frames were both from Wayfair in each of the bedrooms, and those little side tables that you see were just from Target. Super cheapo. This was a pain in the butt. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to put the bed on and make it with our not so fitting sheets. Yeah, you guys will see it in the house tour. So. And here it is finished. Yay! That light is from Home Depot. Our dining table is just from World Market, along with the side chair in the living room. Those curtains are old from World Market too. Michael's Finds, our wedding china. Beautiful Wayfair rug. Great place to find rugs, by the way. Basket, chair, and side table from World Market. My own painting, which I have a video of if you want to go watch. Our couch, again, I think I said it was from Wayfair. Small wood frames, did that photo frame. I have a video up on these live succulent wall hangers. Our photo in our bathroom is from our friend Tara. Took that here in San Clemente. Amazon find curtain. And my own drawing of toilet paper. Super fun. This room is my favorite. I can't wait to do some work in here. Wayfair bed. Just some crates from Michael's that I painted a long time ago. Desk from World Market and bookcase from World Market. Yeah, super cool. Love this space. And our bedroom, yay! Wayfair bed, Target, and lamps from Target. Or sorry, side tables and lamps from Target. And small wood frames, did these as well. These are our marriage vows on either side of the bed. Our small bathroom, again, Amazon for...
And that's
No,
the
actually,
home tour done, you
curtain
guys.
from
If
Target.
you have any questions of something I didn't say where it was from, just leave a comment and I can let you know where I got it from. None of this is sponsored, by the way. I just wanted to give you guys a peek into what our new life is going to look like for a little while. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll be doing a lot of projects around here and showing you any improvements that I do happen to do